What is up, gang? Y'all know when I'm by myself, I'm calling a motherfucking banger. Bae went inside to see if she's checking to see if our fronts is ready to be picked up. But I'm gonna do acting super ratchet prank, and I'm gonna smack on it, going like, damn, fucking ratchet, fuck. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Yeah, she coming. Thank you.
I gotta show you this.
Right. You gonna throw that out?
No. Well,
just fill it up and throw it out.
just watch this video.
What video? What video is it? Throw it out.
Why you acting like that?
Like what? I'm excited. Is the fronts ready to be picked up?
The what?
The fronts. The fronts.
No.
Huh? Yeah, what?
Stop chopping on that damn gum.
Don't take my gun.
I want to taste what you're tasting.
So you looking bad and girl, stupid butt. Ski! Jury, I am this fucking hot it up. Ski! The punch ready to pick it up. Apparently not. What? Come on, turn the music up. Ski! This gum is good. Don't fucking touch me.
Stop chopping on that gum like that.
It's good.
Let me get some.
I need another piece. I need another piece of gum. But this shit is juicy.
Let me get some. I got this small piece.
Yeah, for you.
Let me get some gum.
Nobody gonna come at me.
What? Oh no. And I can still.
I want to try.
It's juicy, but you ain't gotta.
Kitchen, please. You don't know nothing about that. You don't know nothing about that.
Why the hell you gotta yell in my ear like that? Yes.
Right? How much longer is it gonna take for me to get it ready? Thought they was gonna be ready.
But I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's eat. Cause the bitch gotta eat. The bitch be hungry.
Oh, you gotta spit in my damn face like that.
I'm not spitting in your face. Hurry on your face, I can't hot it up.
Get out the car. Get out.
When the hell is key, let me pull up.
Help! Help! Help!
Shut the fuck up.
Them people over there.
Why the fuck would you do that?
Look at him. Look at him.
That shit ain't funny. The fuck? What? Woo! Don't do all that.
You doing all that?
What? That's how I feel today.
Wait, driving.
Motherfucking prank. Don't spit no fucking gum at me. What's that, Ratchet?
Enough. Enough is enough.
Go. Go ahead and spam the comments. Team Tommy. Like, share, repost this video. Come on, y'all. Get on. Oh. My jaws.
Got your ass back.
I don't do that. My jaw's actually tired from chewing that gum.
I bet it is. All that damn go. You done wasted all that gum. Now you gonna want me to go buy you some more.
We out.
Never get it together.